What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how Vaseline and tomato is going to transform your skin. It's gonna do wonders. Like, you are going to be seeing that for yourself. Okay, so if you want to know what other ingredients that I'm going to be using is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal queries or beauty questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comments section. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. Now for this treatment, we're going to be needing tomato. Now tomato is a natural skin lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, remove rashes, remove pimples, and it gets rid of all unwanted hair. Alright? So guys, for the tomato, I'm going to be creating it. Okay, so but if you don't want to create yours guys, you can blend it so it can be actually very smooth, because for this treatment we need it to be pretty smooth. Okay, so I'm going to be doing mine in a circular motion so I can get the smoothness of this tomato. So here is the tomato, and also we're going to be needing organic honey. You can see how my honey is. There are some particles in it. Okay, it is a fresh farm organic honey. Okay, so this is actually going to leave the skin moisturized, smooth, and it's also going to make your skin babish soft, remove wrinkles and all fine lines. And now I'm gonna be turning in the honey into the tomato. Okay, about half teaspoon of honey will be perfect, and it will be good for the skin. Then we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a spice, a dry spice, which you can buy in the market where they sell dry spices. Okay, this helps to leave the skin glowing, youthful, and it also helps to get rid of pigmentation, rashes, pimples, and wrinkles. It therefore remove dead skin cells and make your skin look brighter. And also for the turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon is going to be okay also, since we actually don't need it too much. And also we're going to be needing petroleum jelly. Now petroleum jelly helps to glow the skin, it polish up the skin, and it also gets rid of wrinkles and fine line. Using petroleum jelly alongside with this other natural remedy would help to leave your skin smooth and youthful. Then I'm going to be putting in a little pinch of Vaseline. So 3/4 teaspoon of Vaseline is going to go a long way. Now I'm just gonna be mashing and mixing all the ingredients together. Now this treatment is gonna be perfect for dark spots, for rashes. It's going to help to cure pimples and pigmentations. Okay, so we're just going to mix it pretty well. This consistency is perfect guys. It's something that you actually need so it can spread really well on the face. So here's the rashes and dark spots and pimples remedy. Okay, so if you want to use it to wake up your skin, you can just apply this. Okay, and your skin is just going to be responsive, because all of the ingredients that are in it are very much natural and they work like really good. And it's also going to be ideal for white blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, when you're using it for that, after applying it, then you have to give it a scrub, just a little scrub. Okay, apply it generously. And it smells good. Like, I like any treatment, it's sweet. I'm sure it's because of the honey, it's very sweet. Okay, so I love any treatment that actually smells good, because now, man, the rate of the way I smell things is bored. Okay guys, so after that you have to hold this for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can go wash it off. Okay, you use a very mild toilet soap. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you how I'm going to be washing this off, but before that I'm going to be waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what you do is that you just take water and then you pour it over your face like this. You can also wait for this treatment to dry if you have the time, but it's not going to completely dry because of the petroleum jelly. Okay, okay, so after that then you use a toilet soap to wash this. Okay, so if you guys want me to make my morning routine, showing you my soap, showing you guys the cream I use and stuff, let me know at the comment section. I'm gonna be making such videos, and not only that, I'm also gonna be showing you guys the recipe for slimming, like slimming food. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing that also in this channel. So if you're actually using this treatment for rashes, you can actually use it 3 times in a week, and also for dark spots you can use it every day. So if you are actually using it for pimples, you just rub it on the part where you have pimples, and all of your pimple is gonna go. This is very friendly and very good on the skin. Okay, so you don't have to store it for too long. About 3 to 5 days is perfect. Okay, after that speculated day you have to dispose it and you make a new one. You have to be consistent if you. So that's it guys, that's just how your skin is going to be when you start using Vaseline and tomato, and this is going to help your skin glow. Now you are not going to be experiencing wrinkles, fine lines and pigments. Okay, so if you love the video, please don't forget to share it, thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, do that on my website guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and bye guys, and